Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshots in iPhone 6 Plus. There are two methods to take a screenshot in iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take screenshot. Here I go to calendar and from here I would like to take screenshot. By first method, use power button and home button together. Okay, power button is available on the right side of our phone and home button is available here. Just press them together to take screenshot. Okay, see here, screenshot is taken. This is the capture screenshot. Okay, and then you have other method. For that you have to activate some settings. Go to the settings of our phone here, go to settings, then go to general, then go to accessibility, then go to assistive touch, click on it and turn on assistive touch, and this is assistive touch ball. Okay, you can move this assistive touch ball anywhere on the screen, and as usual go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this Google map. Okay, so to take a screenshot, click on assistive touch here and click on device and click on more button and click on screenshot icon there, and screenshot will be taken. Yes, screenshot is taken. You can open screenshot from here itself, or otherwise you can go to save to photos. So go to photos and you can see all screenshots available there. Okay, so in this way you can easily take screenshot in your iPhone 6 Plus. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.